What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. As you guys can see, the bedroom is a little bit messy, but I went to the TK Maxx and I picked up some stuff. I've been there. I was actually looking for things for the girls, so I went to the TK Maxx and I picked up some stuff which I want to come and share with you guys. Okay, so let's just jump into this video. Yeah, I'm filming with the iPhone. Like, the iPhone camera, the front camera is not that good. Like, I'm not just feeling myself. Like, okay, my skin is getting better, but like, I don't know, the front camera is just crazy. But let's just deal with it the way it is, okay? Because my other phone, the battery has knocked out and I want to just film this video and just get out of this. Even though this stuff, they are in Zara bag, but this stuff are not from Zara. So first, let's start with, because I went there to get some stuff for the girls and I like to pick piece little by little. So I picked these trousers for my little girl. We have like a party where we are going to on this Saturday. A friend of mine, the daughter, have a birthday party, and so she invites my girls. So I picked this up for my daughter. She's the little one, so she's gonna be wearing this one. And I also, okay, yeah, I think the reason why I got the trousers is from TK Maxx. This white shirt is from Zara. That's the reason why I got the Zara bag. And I also got her these shoes. She already had like a black leather jacket, which I also got from Zara. And I also got her these shoes from TK Maxx, which is so beautiful. So this is what I get her. And also I went to TK Maxx today also to pick some stuff up. I pick up this shoe for my son. He has such a big foot. I picked this shoe. I picked this up for 30 euros. The original price was 70, so I picked it up for 30 euros. I picked for him 2 pair of shoes because he really needed some new shoes, you know. So I picked this one up. Tommy! 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 And then I also pick up this Adidas shoes also for him. And this one cost like... Kijk, de schoenen die ik heb. Ik mag even passen, maar je moet eerst sokken aandoen, toch? Om te kijken of die nou past. Doe maar sokken aan. And I also pick up this one. And this one, I picked this up for 50 euros. The original price was 120 euros. So I picked it for 50 euros. Hopefully it fits, and he has such a big foot. This is size 45. He has such a big foot. Ja, je voet is groot. Jawel. And I picked this up for my daughter, the older one, Aliyah. Ik heb deze voor Aliyah. I picked this up for Aliyah. And I also picked this up for Aliyah. He needed shoes, so he didn't need clothes, so he needs shoes. So I didn't pick clothes. Well, for him, it's very hard for me to buy for him clothes because he has his own style. So sometimes we go together and he will choose. So, but Aliyah, I think Aliyah is going to love this one. I picked this up for Aliyah. And the rest of the stuff, I think there are things I pick up for myself. I pick up this white pants, but I haven't actually tested it yet because at the TK Maxx at the moment, you can't test stuff. So you have to test it at home. Jo, je voeten zijn echt groot. Oh. Past die echt? Ja. Is het niet? Zit het wel goed? Ja. Dan kom even met je voeten. Nee, met je voet. Ja, oké. En die dan? Je voeten zijn echt groot, man. Wat? Damn! Ze zijn niet groot, man. Ja, maar hoe dan nou is gewoon groot. So I picked this up for 19 euros, this pants. But actually it retails for 125 euros. So I don't know which designer is this one. And I haven't really tested. So all the ones that I picked up for myself. So I have to also test it. And I also pick up these coats. I think it's the same brand, it's the same design as this one. I think I pick up a lot of stuff are the same design. En die pas ook?
Ik denk het.
Kan je eens even voelen ook? Ja, die kun je wel een tijdje mee. Want die heb je nog een klein beetje plek voor.
Ja.
Ja, auw.
Oh, sorry.
Ja, hij is goed mee in je kamer. Dat is voor jou. And I also picked this one up. This one I also picked up for 25 euros. This one retails for 192 euros. See, you guys see the price? Like 192, and I picked this up for 25 euros. Wat?
Oh, nee, dat je dat voor 100 euro betaalt.
Nee, echt niet. Denk je dat ik gek ben of zo? And this one, the size is a bit bigger. This one is in size 46. It's a blazer. I haven't really tested. I couldn't test it in the store. I thought, you know what, let me just bring it home and I'm going to test it to see if it fits. And I also pick up a new wallet because I really needed a new wallet. I need something small because you guys know I'm not really into those big wallets. So I picked this one up. How much did I pick this up for? I picked this up for 16 euros. Normally it retails for 45 euros. And I picked up for 16 euros. But I needed something small, you know. It has like space where you can put your documents. I'm going to check if it is not big enough. I may return it because it looks like it doesn't really have enough space. But yeah, I just picked this up. And I also picked up this pants. Yeah, also the same design, the black one. Yeah, I think the white one, I also picked up the black one. The black one, I picked it up in 42, size 42. They didn't have like small size, but I just picked it up because I wanted to go and test all of them, but they didn't have it. So this one also retails for 192 euros, but I picked it up for 25 euros. So this is a huge discount. And I also pick up, I think, yeah, a lot of the same design, almost the same design of everything. This one also retails for 114 euros and 50 cents. I picked it up for 17 euros. And this one is in pinkish red, and this one is in size, what size did I pick this one? Size 44. It looks kind of, the size looks big, but when you look at the pants itself, it doesn't really look that big. So you know what, I pick 1, 2, 3. These are for me, these are for the girls. I really want to try the pants to see how they look, yeah, because I feel like they look so big. I also got some stuff from H&M, which are like a lot stuff, but they looks kind of big. But I really want to try them on to see how they look, yeah. So let's try the pants. I feel like the pants is more easy to just take my trainingsbroek out and just try the pants. So let's see how the pants looks. This is how the pants looks on me. It's a bit big, but I feel like because I am on a weight gain journey, I feel like if I add some few kilos, it's gonna be nice. But you guys can see the pants is not like, it's not long all the way down to my foot. It just stops me like here. I don't know if this is fashion. You guys let me know in this video, okay? Let me know if this is fashion. I love the fact that it has pocket. Like, I don't know, red is not really my red, pink. I feel like this may be for a special occasion, but I need to gain some few kilos for me to be able to wear this one because it just look a little bit baggy. So I feel like maybe when I add some couple of kilos, it will fit me. But I really love the way it looks. It looks nice, you know. It really looks nice. It looks nice. It looks really nice. And it looks like those work pants, you know. So let's try the other. I was thinking 44 is going to be too big, but I feel like maybe with this brand, it's not that big. I could definitely fit 44 if it was like a couple of weeks ago when I was a little bit heavy. But now I'm a little bit, I lose a couple of weights, but I feel like it's okay. So let's try the rest and see. So this is how this one is looking like. Wow. I don't know, I'm not really like actually feeling this one. remove this. I'm not really like feeling, but it looks nice like for church. I don't know, I feel like it looks kind of baggy here at the front. I don't like when trousers are like this, but I feel like maybe if I gain a couple of kilos, it will be much more nice. But it looks kind of nice. It looks, yeah. Wat moet je? Wat is er? Je hebt net ben je klaar met eten? Ja? Ik kom zo straks met een ei geven, oké? So this is what this one look like. Let's try this coat, yeah? And I also got, okay, what is wrong with this brand? This brand, the stuff that are not big, okay. With this brand, the coats are not like that big. They are kind of okay. I feel like this is quite okay. Okay, not with this. It's a bit bigger, but I feel like it's okay. It feels a bit big. I also get one yesterday, also for myself, another coat from TK Maxx as well, and this is from Guess, Guess, Guess. And this one, I haven't really taken the price off. I picked this up for 25 euros, but it retails for 120 euros. That is the original price. I also get this one in large because I need something. Sometimes you have one of those dresses and you just need some coats to put on top of it. So reasons why I get this one. And I kind of like the way this one looks, the way it feels. I like the fact that it's like this, you know, even though it looks a bit bigger, but I just love the fact that the hand comes all the way down. So let me guys know, what do you guys think? You guys think I should keep this? For this one, I feel like I'm gonna keep it so bizarre. That is so bizarre. I'm gonna keep this one, but this one is what I'm not too sure about. I'm not really sure about this one, but it looks nice. It has this split end here. I think I'm just gonna keep it, you know. You never can tell. There will come a day that maybe that I may need something like this. So I don't need to stress myself. But this one looks nice. I think I'm gonna just keep it. I prefer to just leave it open like this instead of closing it with the pants. Maybe something different. This pants, I don't know. The pants, they look kind of funny. I feel like I'm going to I don't know. I feel like I'm going to return all the pants because they look nice, but I don't know. I'm kind of like in the confusion mode anyway. So now let's try the least but not the last. This one is the one that I got in my actual size 38. So let's see if this one will actually fit me. Picking this pants up, my actual size doesn't even fit. Like, it can't even come all the way to my leg. It doesn't fit. It can't even zip. It doesn't really go up, but it doesn't really pass here. So yeah, this one is going. So let's just take this one off. It doesn't really fit because I feel like if I push more, I'm going to destroy it. I feel like I'm just going to return all the pants. Maybe I may keep, I don't know, but let's just see. But I feel like the pants, they're not really my kind of fashion style. I'm not really a pants kind of person. So I feel like all the pants are going and maybe the coats will stay. But yeah, I'm not really feeling the pants, honestly speaking. So let's just take it out. Happy gedaan? Happy gedaan? I don't even know what to think. I'm thinking of like returning everything. So first of all, this white pants is going because it doesn't actually fit. Honestly speaking, this is the reason why I wanted to try the pants in the store, because yeah, because I wasn't really sure about all the pants, because you guys know I'm not really a pants person. I'm not really like into trousers, you understand? So I'm just going to return all the pants. And also this one, I'm not really feeling this one like the way I'm feeling the other black one that I got yesterday. So I feel like all of this are going. The one I got for myself, they're all going. Also this black pants, I don't know, the pants is nice, but not really feeling it all the way down. I like it when it comes all the way down to my leg, but this one just stopped half of my leg, makes it looks like the 90s or whatever. I'm not just feeling it, so it's actually going away. So I'm going to get rid of, this one is going away, and I feel like this one, it just feels a little bit big. I'm not feeling it, so it's going back. Friday, I'm going to Arnhem for driving. It's going, just put the bag there. It's going back. This one, I really like it because this one fit me. You see, this one look kind of okay on me. When I put this one and I put some dress, it looks okay. Yeah, it looks okay on me. So this one is Tain, and I also got a bunch of stuff from H&M also, but this one is Tain, and yeah, this one is Tain. This one for the girls, I'm also gonna stay, because this is for the girls. It's actually not for me. No, my room is a mess. This is for the girls. I haven't actually showed the girls the stuff that I bought for them. So this one is for the girls. This one is staying. I'm gonna put it here. For the wallets, I need to check whether all my pads can actually, because this is my normal wallet. It's a bit big, and I really want to tone down my wallet, carry the card that are important, and the ones which are not important, just leave them at home. Because sometimes I have this small tiny bag that I'm working with. I feel like this I feel like this is not going to fit in here. I feel like it's not going to fit. This wallet is just too small. Compare it to this one. I have so much card. You know what? This wallet is also going. It doesn't make... Oh, the price is in there. It's also going. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't actually make sense. But anyway, I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted. Like, I'm tired and exhausted. Let me just drink some wine. Like, you guys don't know, I have been in a different mood since I've been taking the macaroons. It's been crazy. Feels so good. Yeah, cheers. Let's just relax. Yeah, that is the mood I have been in. I also got, no, this one is for separate. I'm not going to show you guys everything. I got me some plantain chips, but I'm going to put this next to the bed. Today I'm going to be like chilling, watching some Netflix and chill. But first, I really have to clean up this room. I have to clean up this room. I have to get rid of all this stuff that just lying down here. I have to clean everything. I also got me some granuts. Like, I don't know, I have been really hungry. I've been really hungry with this macaroons. I have been really hungry and horny at the same time, guys. It's so crazy. But if you guys want to see full details when it comes to this macaroon thing, follow me on my beauty channel at AMIFULLEST Beauty, because there I'm going to give you guys the full details. But so far so good, guys. This was everything. I hope you all like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page, and I'll see you all. Team Fullest, peace out, bye. Doe, vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien.